Hey, welcome to our learning outcome. I can solve multi-step equations by undoing. So we're still working on solving equations. It is just a matter of the fact that we are going to have slightly more difficult questions than we saw in our previous lesson. So starting today with just a couple examples. Before we get to that, I want you to think about the fact of solving. There is a process. When it is more complicated, multi-step, one, first, simplify the equation, or simplify the sides of the equation. And two, after it's simplified, then you can solve. But really, you should try to get it into its simplest form possible. So what do we mean by that? Well, let's see. Let's see, we have a problem that looks like 5x minus 3x plus 9 equals 23. So doing this problem, notice it's not just two steps. First, we want to simplify this. By that, I mean I'm going to combine our like terms. So we have 5x minus 3x to get 2x plus 9 equals 23. So this looks a lot more familiar after we've simplified our equation. So now I can solve. I'm going to subtract 9. So 2x equals 14. Divide by 2. X is 7. And again, we could substitute this in. When you substitute, you'd want to substitute it into the original equation. 5 times 7 minus 3 times 7 plus 9. 35 minus 21 plus 9. So that's 14 plus 9, which is 23. Check. Yay. Got it. Okay, rolling on. Couple more examples. So one more example I'm going to show you involves the distributive property. So for example, 8 minus 2 times the quantity, so that means parentheses, x plus 10 equals 16. So again, just like we talked about in the last problem, we can't solve this until we have simplified it. We have to distribute in this problem, combine like terms. All right, so talking about distributing, I'm going to take that -2 and distribute to the parts in parentheses. So I've got 8 minus 2x. Okay, -2 times 10 is minus 20 equals 16. Okay, so still simplifying, we've got like terms over here, so I'm going to add those together. I'm going to keep that -2x out front, but 8 minus 20, so here's our like terms right here. 8 minus 20 is -12, which equals 16. All right, now I can solve it. Add 12. Add 12. -2x equals 28. Divide by -2. X is -14. Checking this out, I would have 8 minus 2 times -14 plus 10. Okay, now that I'm evaluating this expression, I'm still going to use my order of operations, but this time I can do this first and get -4. So now I've got -8, okay, -2 times negative 4 becomes plus 8, 16. Oh, yay. Okay, last part, I just want you to try this one and see how it goes for you. Negative 4 equals 6y minus 36 minus 10y. Okay, bring your answer to class, ask questions if you have it, and I will see you in class.